This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the pirate ship box card. Okay, so I've got lots of little pieces here. I've kind of got them laid out to where they go. So we're just going to jump right in, and I'm going to start with the waves that go on the front of the card. Now you just want to line these up to the bottom and to the edge, okay? It's supposed to look like he's traveling through the water. It's breaking on the bow. Okay. So we're just gonna do these like that right on the front. Line them up to the edge and to the bottom. Oops. Okay. Now, these two pieces make up the front and back. The front has the curve. And then the one that's straight across is the back. We're going to go ahead and connect these two together. Okay, like so. Now, this piece like this, top to bottom, side to side, this piece goes on the front. Okay, just like that. Then our waves can go right like this. Okay, now for this piece that goes on the curve, you're just going to put line of glue right there on the very bottom. And we're just going to glue it. Nope. Sorry. Okay, we're just going to glue it right on the edge, side to side. Okay. Okay. There's the front. Now these pieces, you're going to put the glue on the front side. We're going to glue it behind. These are the railings that go on the side of the ship. You can kind of hold this folded so that you can butt right up against it and know that you're getting that in the right spot. Okay. Do that on both sides and the back. Okay. So that, is not finished yet because we have to put on our side waves. Okay. And then you're going to put your portholes on the two sides. You have two of them. Put one on each side. And then this is for your sentiment on the back. Okay, so that is the base of our ship. Then we're going to pull in here each layer. Now, this piece here is for support, added support. And you want to put it on, whoops. Good thing that wasn't one of the tall pieces. You want to put it on first. And then we want to put our, I think I need to ink this a little bit because it's the same color as because it's the same color as our post. So that helps that stand out a little bit. And I'm just going to put glue here on the center down. Okay, and then I'm going to use foam tape to pop up my sails. Okay, so there is the front. And we're just going to do the same thing with each piece. We're going to put the support beam on first. I'm going to, so this is building each time. So the bottom layers I'm going to do flat, and the top layer of each section, I'm going to pop with the foam tape. Okay. So this one is going to go flat, and this one I'm going to pop. Okay, and you just want to have it line up. Oops. Right in there so you can see through those cutouts. Can you see? Kind of. Okay, so that is the second layer. And now the last layer. I didn't glue that on exactly, so I'm going to trim that to make sure it doesn't affect how my card stands up. And again, just like the second layer, I'm only going to put foam tape on the top one. Oops. I throw that away. Now these foam squares are the ones, it's probably why I'm having trouble, are the ones that I get at Dollar Tree. Okay, and then pop up this very last one. There we go. And fold the tabs. And now pull in our card. And with the tabs out flat, I'm going to put glue here. I'm going to lay it in, put it right back in that back corner. And stick it down. There we are. Now we're going to stand this up. We're going to take the middle layer, put glue on the tab, Lay that right in front of that layer, laying right back against it, and glue that tab into place. Stand it up again. Take our front layer, put glue on the tab, lay it down in front of the middle layer, put it in here, and glue it right into place. There we are. Oh, be careful with your glue there. I got a little bit squeezing out. Now you can see we have our 3 tabs cascading down, and I'm going to put glue on each one. Be careful about the amount of glue, and I'm not taking it all the way to the score line because I don't want it to ooze and glue my card shut. Okay, and then with this other side down, I'm going to take this side, bring it over, glue those tabs right to it. It'll take just a few seconds there. Make sure I have that stuck down well, and I'm going to fold it both ways. And now I'm going to glue my card closed. Okay. And there it is. There is the pirate ship box card. Thanks for joining me.